Nishioneki na iroto nyingi cia andu ethĩ cianathinikana matekumenya marore na thutha wa kwandikithia maumirira moru kigeranio-ini gĩa KCSE, maumirira mao makiaga gutwarana na kiria kirendekana thukuru nyingi cia college na university. Thutha wa kuona miturire ya mbeu njithi aingi irugamite thutha wa kurikia mathomo ma secondary, Milka Githiji akiambiriria ceceni itari ya githirikari ya kothi cia moko ya Njogu-ini Training Center itura-ini ria Njogu-ini kaunti-ini ya NYERI.
Njogu-ini Training Center ni hingũrĩire mirango ciana nyingĩ iria itarehota na iria itahitukite igeranio, especially iria cionaga ta kuhituka igeranio ariguo gutoria utoro-ini.
Milka agitutaririe muoroto munene ni kuhe arutwo aya umenyo kothi-ini itiganite o ati wona marikia ni mekuhota kuhingura wira utegubatara mbeca nyingi cia kwambiriria.
Ni tura offer beauty na kwina already kirathi na mbere, na ungirora kwa mweri umwe ciana ni ikoretwo na skill igete magithi nginya kwihingurira biashara kana mathie maandikwo makiambiriria wira.
Hi guys, my name is David. I'm an IT technician at Njogu-ini Career Center. I'm teaching these guys about computer infrastructure, software development, graphic design. Some of them are doing beauty and hair.
Kothia guthondeka njuire ari imwe cia iria ceceni ino iheanaga, arutwo makiamukira umenyo wigie uthaka na njira ya wika practicals masingotho uria umathomithagia agitariria umithio uria umanite na mufango uyu.
Equipping them with skills for personal care, whereby they get the information on how maybe after school they can be able to open their own brands, how they can even be able to make skincare products. And right now they can do things like knotless, they can do box braid, they can do Ghanaians, and others even have gone miles, whereby right now it's just a month and weeks and they are telling me they are earning money.
I always come here very early in the morning at Njogu-ini Training Center to do hairdressing and beauty. I have been here for the past 1 month.
Hapa Career Center, hapa tuna somea about
shake nice.
Hamwe na mathomo maya, ceceni ino ni hotete kwambiriria academy ya mubira wa maguru. Haha ciana ikihota kwamukira umenyo wa muthako uyu hamwe na motaro, undu uria ukoretwo uri uteithio munene. Milka akiambiriria ceceni ino arongoragiria ciana kuma micii itehotete kuria Njogu-ini Training Center ihotete gutherema kugerera uteithio kuma aria maikaraga itura-ini ria Njogu-ini, hamwe na uteithio wa sponsorship, uteithio uria riu urahotithia arutwo aingi gukinyaniria KIONEKI gia kwirugamirira muturire-ini.
To know that or to say it is less painful compared to